Today, we are diving into the incredible features of the Samsung 9 kilograms, 5-star, EcoBubble, Wi-Fi, digital inverter, soft closing door, fully automatic top-load washing machine, model WN90BG4542BDTL in a stylish Versailles grey. This machine is designed for ease and efficiency, making laundry a breeze. The generous 9 kilograms capacity of this washing machine is a game-changer for anyone who values convenience and efficiency. With the ability to wash more clothes in one go, you'll save time and energy that would have been spent on multiple loads. This feature is especially beneficial for families who often have to contend with mountains of laundry on a daily basis. Imagine being able to wash everything from towels and bedding to clothes and delicates in a single cycle. Not only will this reduce the number of loads you need to do, but it will also minimize the wear and tear on your clothes. By washing more clothes at once, you'll also reduce the amount of detergent and fabric softener you need to use, which can help to prolong the life of your clothes. But the benefits don't stop there. This washing machine also boasts a 5-star energy rating, which means it's designed to be kind to the environment while also saving you money on your electricity bill. With the rising cost of living and increasing concerns about climate change, it's more important than ever to choose appliances that are energy efficient and eco-friendly. By choosing this washing machine, you'll not only be reducing your carbon footprint, but you'll also be doing your part to conserve natural resources. The 5-star energy rating is a testament to the machine's ability to minimize energy consumption while still delivering exceptional cleaning results. Capacity and energy efficiency. This washing machine is also designed with convenience in mind. With a range of customizable cycles and options, you'll be able to tailor your wash to suit your specific needs. Whether you're washing delicate lingerie or heavily soled workout gear, this machine has got you covered. Spacious 9 kilograms capacity and 5-star energy rating of this washing machine make it an ideal choice for anyone who values convenience, efficiency, and sustainability. Whether you're a busy professional or a parent juggling multiple responsibilities, this machine is designed to make your life easier while also reducing your impact on the environment. Furthermore, the advanced technology used in this washing machine ensures that your clothes are not only cleaned efficiently but also gently. The machine's sophisticated sensors and algorithms work together to detect the size of the load, the type of fabric, and the level of soil, and adjust the wash cycle accordingly. The machine's compact footprint and slim profile allow it to fit seamlessly into tight spaces, while its elegant controls and intuitive interface make it easy to use. Another significant advantage of this washing machine is its low maintenance requirements. The machine's self-cleaning mode and automatic detergent dispenser ensure that it remains in good working order with minimal effort from you. The machine's durable construction and high-quality components also mean that it is built to last, with a long lifespan and minimal need for repairs. In terms of cost savings, this washing machine is designed to help you save money in the long run. Its energy-efficient design and low water consumption mean that it uses fewer resources than traditional washing machines, resulting in lower utility bills. The machine's durability and long lifespan also mean that you won't need to replace it as often, saving you money on replacement costs. This washing machine is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, efficient, and convenient laundry solution. Its advanced technology, spacious capacity, and eco-friendly design make it an ideal addition to any home. Now, let's talk about the innovative EcoBubble technology. This feature allows the detergent to form bubbles, ensuring it penetrates fabrics faster and cleans more effectively, even in cold water. Say goodbye to tough stains without the need for hot washes. But that's not all. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control and monitor your washing machine right from your smartphone. Start, pause, or check the status of your laundry without even getting up from the couch. And who doesn't appreciate a soft closing door? No more slamming doors or unexpected fingers getting caught. Finally, the digital inverter technology ensures quieter operation and longevity, reducing wear and tear and keeping your laundry room peaceful. All this for just price 23,990. For those looking to enhance their laundry game, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing product insights.